Success doesn't happen overnight.
Every champion, every successful person, every great achievement started with one small step.
Many people give up because they want instant results. They want success immediately. But real success is built slowly, day by day, step by step.
Reading 1 page a day may not seem important.
Practicing for 1 hour may not feel enough. Waking up early one morning may not change your life instantly.
But when you repeat those small actions every single day, something powerful happens.
You improve. You grow stronger. You become better than yesterday.
Remember this: small progress is still progress.
A tiny seed does not become a giant tree in one night.
It grows slowly through patience, sunlight, storms, and time.
Your journey is the same. There will be hard days. There will be failures. Some people may doubt you. Some moments may make you want to quit. But never underestimate the power of continuing. One small step every day can completely change your future. Keep learning. Keep trying. Keep moving forward even when progress feels slow.
Because one day, you will look back and realize those small steps created something amazing.
Success is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. It is about showing up again and again, even when nobody is watching. So start today.
Take the first small step. And trust the process. Because small steps lead to big success.